you know.
I got it. I got it.
Here, no, one more.
The second one was good.
I got it.
Come on, just reload.
I got it.
Yeah, you got all of them. Okay. Reload so we shoot the window.
I need to finish Dead Space.
Yeah, that game was fun.
Keep going.
Do it, Rochelle, do it. Load the gun. Load the Nerf gun.
She did it so well, I think now she's getting like performance
Show,
anxiety.
Man, you guys are like gearing her up for.
You should hear her, she goes, aim fire!
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ready, aim, fire?
Alright, you ready? Load it up. Aim at the window, aim at the window.
Have her hold it, have her hold it.
Whoa! Okay, load up.
You load it.
Your new bullet. No, she can do it. Put a bullet in there.
Oh yeah, Rochelle, you load it.
No, we'll leave that window. You got 2 more.
Oh yeah, just pull it for her and have her aim.
Load. Whoa. Okay, last one. Load it up. Okay, go get your bullets. Go get your bullets.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got the bullet.
Get it.
Do you need help?
You need daddy's height, not mommy's height.
You guys want to do a C-section?
I want to